Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi and yes, today we will be doing a mini haul. This is really mini. It won't even take more than 5 minutes. The point of doing this haul is that because usually when people do haul, they are trying out new products, and I want to show you something that I really like. And people do miss out on things that they like in those big hauls. Sometimes, not all the times, sometimes. So these are the mini hauls that that will give you more insight on what people usually like, because they keep repurchasing those. So let's start with the product. Let's start with product number 1, which is this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Now initially I did not like this much, but you know what, I have started liking this a lot. It's really good. It really melts your makeup. Today also I have used this only, and that's why I called for another, and that's why I called for another bottle. I just finished this one today, so yeah, good decision. I got this one again, and this retails, it's very inexpensive. Okay, it retails for $2.49, and always you'll find it on discount on Amazon or Flipkart. I bought it from Flipkart. And one more thing I would like to mention is that people don't usually go on Flipkart for makeup. I don't know, yeah, most of it is fake, but some companies are selling their genuine products on Flipkart. So please go on Flipkart as well, because you really get genuine products, and you really get it for you really get the products very cheap over there. The second thing that I bought is this Maybelline lipstick. Okay, now I have applied it today, and this color is called Barely Nude. Okay, I could not find such a it's an amazing shade, by the way. Just gonna show you. Just look at it. It's very close to my skin tone, and that's why it's the perfect nude. I've applied it today and I really love it. I wanted something like this from a very long time. I was trying and experimenting with a lot of colors, but when you see it online, like I'll give you an example. This is a Miss Claire shade. Okay, this is soft lip matte lip cream, and this is 80 or 08, I don't know, whatever way. So online this looked like a nude, but you can see this is a hot pink, not even pink or nude pink or anything. This is a hot pink color. So I don't know, online whenever I have thought of buying something nude, it always comes like it is either too brown, either too mauve, or anything. It's not like a perfect nude which I would like. So this has been my first very good online purchase of lipstick. Like whatever I wanted, I got it. Now the third thing, moving on to the third thing, and probably the second last thing, is this clear mascara. This is from Wet n Wild. Now why I bought this is because I like you can see how I like my eyebrows done. Okay, firstly because of that. Secondly, I was using the e.l.f. one. Okay, now the e.l.f. one costs around 300 or 400, I'm not too sure. Okay, and I really like it. It's that one is also a clear mascara, and I use it every time. So I was like, okay, let's look out for something even more inexpensive, or something similar with which I can do a comparison video of e.l.f. And I found this Wet n Wild clear mascara, and this was of 174 rupees. Yeah, this is of 174 rupees. I really liked it. Okay, I used it today, and so far so good, guys. So far, so if I'll use it once or twice more, and I'll let you know. So the last product of this mini haul is this brown face razor nahi hai, mini face hair remover. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is the name of the product. It's really I have used it once or twice. Okay, and I am going to do a review also. And yeah, that's about it. I also bought lenses, okay, from Lenskart. These are the aqua lens. The color is gray, yeah, some gray. Okay, I really love gray lenses, but I forgot them, and yeah, they were on a huge discount, 50% off, flat 50% off, and I got 5 pairs. So it was a big win-win situation. That's why I really liked that product. And yeah, these are the 5 things that I bought for this month, I would say. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you want me to do more such videos on smaller hauls where and you get to see what I buy, which I really, you know, really like, the products which I really like, which I keep repurchasing, I would be happy to do so. So give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.